I'm from Canada. Well, not practically from Canada. I am Indian. Hi everyone, this is Ginni. You did get to see a little intro about me yesterday, which was posted on Facebook and Instagram. I did get a lot of positive reviews from you, and I'm very, very thankful for all of you for sending in all the loves and all the positivity my way. I really need it. I'm really nervous right now because this is the first time I'm actually shooting a video, and talking to a camera is very, very weird. So please bear with me. I'm here to give you a little intro about who I am, what this channel, Ginni Tutorials, is going to be all about. And this way you guys will get to know me a little bit better. My name is Ginni, like I mentioned. Ginni Tutorials has been around for a lot of time in our brains, and I just couldn't finalize onto it because I am very nervous talking to the camera. I'm a very hands-on, practical person, so this talking to a camera is just not my vibe. But let's see, times are changing, things are changing, so why not give something new a try, of course, right? Let me tell you a little bit more about myself. I'm from Canada. Well, not practically from Canada. I am Indian. Was born here. I've spent most of my life in Canada. So all of my education has been done from there. I've been working there for many years. I'm a marketing professional otherwise. And makeup is just a hobby, which is now turning into this for you guys. Makeup is just art. It's just something I've always liked, I've always enjoyed buying makeup and trying it on myself and on others, and new techniques, new things have been coming out every single day. So why not share all that with you guys? The reason I'm starting this channel is because there are a lot of women and a lot of girls out there who could really use some help. I see them on a day-to-day basis. They love doing makeup. They love playing with makeup. They buy a lot of stuff. They invest in a lot of makeup. And let me tell you, it's not cheap. It is a little expensive. So why not tell you how exactly to use it and what exactly to buy? And don't just go out and splurge on things that you don't even need. Drugstore makeup, jo aapko you get easily around in the stores nowadays, instead of going to high-end brands, can also be very good. Aajkal India mein top class makeup is being produced, and we just don't know about it. We're not aware of it. So why not try those, right? Also, lots of tips and tricks, like I mentioned yesterday in my little few seconds vlog that we did yesterday on social media. On most important problem I see with women nowadays is dark circles. I've been facing them. I've had them all my life, and I still am facing lots of dark circles, trying to not getting enough sleep, stress. I have a 3-year-old, so that all adds up. So I can teach you how to use the right concealer, how to use it, how exactly to apply it, where to buy it, what to buy it, how to cover those dark circles, and it'll make your skin look flawless. Because as soon as you wear concealer, your entire face balances out. Sab kuch even ho jata hai. You don't need foundation, you don't need a compact. Yes, you do need a little bit of powder to set your concealer so it doesn't budge or it doesn't move. So little things like those I could teach you. And a lot more. I have a bucket full of list of things I could tell you guys, the things that I have learned over the years. And now a little bit about where I have learned makeup from. Test and trials. I have done a lot of trials on myself and others, family members, moms, of course. And then someone suggested that I go in and take professional classes, which I never really had the time to be very honest, because working and studying in Canada, I had a full-time job. I was a full-time university student, so it was just never really possible to have a full-time makeup class attended. So I did learn from MAC. They have student classes over the weekend for 2 days or 3 days, however many classes you like. Inglot also has it. अब मुझे नहीं मालूम ये इंडिया में होता है कि नहीं होता, but yes, they do have these classes in North America, which is easily accessible to anybody who is keen on learning how to do makeup. And of course, YouTube is the mother of all nowadays. There are a lot of makeup artists out in India, lots and lots of them, and my goodness, those girls are fabulous. They are amazing. I have learned a lot from these girls also. But the only basic thing is, basic makeup to ko bata hi nahi raha hai. How exactly do you apply that concealer? Or how exactly you need to fill in the eyebrows? Or दिन में मेकअप कैसे करना है, इवनिंग में मेकअप कैसे करना है, how to get ready in 5 minutes without throwing on a foundation. And most of the time, if I only have 5 minutes, especially with a 3-year-old that I have, all I do is a concealer, a kajal, and I'm out the door, or a lip balm. You don't need so much, and it looks like I'm really well put together with only 3 products. So that is what this channel is all about. So I'm going to stop babbling here. I'm sure you guys can tell that I'm extremely nervous, but yeah, that's just a little bit more about me. And if you want to know more about me, drop in your questions in the comment box below, and I'll try and get back to you with those questions. And do let me know, what video would you like to see first, on what products I use, what skincare I could use, or how to tackle your skincare problems, or how to apply makeup correctly, or what exactly products do you need according to your skin type or your skin tone type. I could help you, and if I cannot help you, I'll figure out anything and everything possible available to help you out with it. But I will not let you down, I assure you that. And thank you so much for watching me blab for the last few minutes. I hope to see you again soon in the next video. Bye.